Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share and play.
Hello everyone. We all take turns at doing a creative prompt each week in our Playing with Paper and Glue Facebook group. And I thought I'd share this one with you this week because we're making silhouettes. You grab an image, and it can be junk mail, magazines or your own photos, and then use that image as a guide to cut out a silhouette. How easy is that? And silhouettes can be used for all kinds of projects. So you can use them as a little side tuck on a page in a journal, or you can use them to decorate a pocket, like I've got here. You can also use them on journal cards as a focal point. So just nice and easy, just as the silhouette themselves, that actually can be quite effective, mixing up the colours that you're using for the silhouettes. Love this hat stand one. And you can also add them over splishy, sploshy watercolour backgrounds or, any of your other mixed media backgrounds that you've got. This one that looks like a little boy jumping into the water, which is, just a bit of a cool effect. And of course, you can just use them in your normal layered collaging. Enjoy making your own silhouettes. There are other things that make sense as a silhouette. It might be a lemon or a banana. It might be a butterfly or a dragonfly or a little birdie. All kinds of things, and the possibilities are endless. I'd love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!